Thank you everyone for coming out. We're going to sing a rendition of Silent Night for this holiday season. I am the Opera Chicken. I'm here tonight with Alicia Keys. She's going to be playing the piano. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is night. Round yon virgin mother and child, holy infant, tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. Silent night, holy night, shepherds quake at the sight, glory stream from heaven afar. Oh, my hat, thanks. Oh, thanks a lot. Thank you. Heavenly ghosts, sing hallelujah. Christ the Savior's born. Christ the Savior is born. Silent night. It's not over yet. Holy night, Son of God, love's pure light. Yeah. Radiant beams from thy holy face, with the dawn of redeeming grace. Jesus, what the hell is that? Turn it off. Jesus, Lord at birth. Jesus, Lord at thy Thank you everybody for coming out tonight. December 25th, we'll be here for the rest of the night. Thank you.